Hello students, this is my part 11 of series genetics class 12. So today we will discuss the phenomenon what is sex determination. Sex determination. So what do you mean by sex determination? That means how we can determine the sex of an organism. So before that we must discuss the chromosomes are of two types, autosomes and sex chromosomes. Sex chromosomes. So autosomes are those chromosomes which have genes responsible for physical and bodily traits irrespective of sex. So these chromosome bears the genes which are responsible for characters which are common to both male and female. But sex chromosomes are those chromosomes having genes responsible for determining the sex, whether it is male or female. So we will discuss two types of chromosomes, namely X chromosome and the Y chromosome. So Y chromosome is mainly responsible for determining sex in case of human being. We will discuss the detailed types because it has TDF factor, testis determining factor. And this X also. So in the presence of Y, it is the male one, and in the absence of Y, it is the female one. And in the presence of Y, it is the male one. We can write also XY. So this sex chromosome concept or chromosomal basis of sex determination, particularly the foundation, was laid down by Hanking, scientist, that is Hanking in the year 1891. He proposed the X body. Later on it was discovered as the X chromosome. So this X body he named it, and particularly Stevens in 1902 discovered the Y chromosome, and later on the scientist Wilson and Stevens in 1905 named the X and Y chromosome. So these are the discoveries related with the sex determination. So basically the sex determination is divided into three types. three types. One is male heterogamity, and another type is female heterogamity, and the special type of sex determination, that is sex determination in honeybee. So we will discuss one by one. That is, first one is male heterogamity, and in this case we will discuss two things, that is sex determination in human being and sex determination in grasshopper. So this male heterogamity means what? In this case, the male one produce two types of gametes, that is X bearing sperm and Y bearing sperm. But the female one produces one type. This is XX, will give only X bearing the ovum, and these two are sperms. In this case, particularly in case of human being, we will see. So later on we will take the cross how the sex determination occurs in human. So sex determination in human. So we know that in human the diploid set of chromosome is 46, which means is equal to 44 autosomes plus either it is XX or 44 autosome plus XY. So XX is, this is female and this is the male. So we can take the cross here, that is we can do here the male one, or we can write here the father, and the female, that is the mother. So here this is 44 autosomes plus XY, and this is 44 autosome plus XX. So this is the genotype. So this is P1, then gametes will be there. So this will give two types of gametes, 22 autosomes plus X and 22 autosome plus Y. So this is here the heterogamety, two different types of gametes, and this will give 22 autosome plus X, and this is 22 autosome plus X. This is homogametic. Homo means same, gametic means gametes, gametic, and this is heterogamety, gamete. So then by fertilization or random mating, so this may fuse with this may fuse with this may fuse with this, fuse with this. So this is 44 autosome plus XX, and this is 44 autosome plus XX. This is 44 autosome plus XY, and this is 44 autosome plus XY. So this one is female, and this is the female, and this is the male one, and this is the male one. So in this way, the formation of, that is, son and daughter, and particularly that the father will produce the two types of gametes. So this is heterogamety, hetero means different, and mother will produce only one type of ovum. And here these are the sperms. So this is the sex determination in case of human being. And in case of, we can see the in grasshopper. Grasshopper, we can find that is XX and XO type. So here the XO means absence of another X chromosome, that is, we can make them a cross, that is P1, that is, or two sets of autosome plus XO, two sets of autosome plus XX. So this is the female one and this is the male one. So this male one produce the heterogametes. This is A plus X and this is A plus O, means absence of another X. And here we will find A plus X, this is A plus X. So these are the ovum and these are the sperms, two different types of sperms, and this is the one type of ovum. So fertilization, that is, this may fuse with this may fuse with this may fuse with this may fuse with this. So this is AA plus XX, this is AA plus XX, and this is AA plus XO, and this is AA plus XO. So this one is female one, this is also the female one, and this is the male one, this is the male one. So this is all about the, that is, we can tell the male heterogamety types of sex determination.